Just a typical laundry day. I wanted to turn on the camera and start the weekly vlog because I've been thinking about it for a while, and today was just the day. We're just gonna do it. We've had really bad weather in Toronto the last couple days, and today's like the first sunny day. Also happens to be a Monday, so why not? It sounds like a sponsored integration, but it's not. But I decided to start my morning off with journaling. This is day one of my journal prompts. I found just like a journal prompt list on Pinterest, and I'm going to try to commit myself to journaling for 25 days. I used to journal a lot actually, especially when I was in high school, just because, you know, teenagers, we got a lot on our mind. I've decided to actually just start doing it again because it makes sense. I just have a lot going on. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you'll know that I struggle with really bad anxiety. I used to have panic attacks to the point where like I couldn't leave my house, and I was so open about sharing that point in my life with you guys, and I guess since then I've kind of like retracted because it's like a very vulnerable spot for me, but it's the truth. It's already on the internet. Yeah, I've had really bad anxiety like my entire life, but it especially got bad a few years ago, actually right before I started taking my YouTube full time. I'm definitely trying to get in control of my mental health, especially these days when everything is just so crazy, and yeah, just trying to create a safe space. So yeah, one thing I've been doing is journaling. The next goal I'm actually really trying to do is read more. So I want to share the latest book that I picked up. It is by Leanne Moriarty, and it is called Truly Madly Guilty. I'm so excited about this one because we're currently watching Big Little Lies, and definitely not a show for like the faint of heart. It's not like a happy show, but it's really good, really well done. An amazing, incredible cast, and I love Reese Witherspoon. I just think she can do no wrong. Yeah, I decided to pick this book up because she and Nicole Kidman's production studios just got the rights to this book, so they are probably going to be making a movie or something about this soon. So I really want to read this one. I have to go to the dollar store today because I have another slice video that's going to come up all about denim DIYs. I just want to share a little bit about like how I'm working, my process, hauls, you know, just like daily life stuff, and hopefully this week will be an interesting one. Also, everyone's like, girl, drop the skincare routine. It's coming. Literally in there for 5 seconds. We're parked illegally, so we had to rush, but I got what I needed. I'll show you guys my outfit before we go to stop by ARITZIA, and then we're gonna head home. But coffee from Sorry, sweaters Revolve, jeans are Girlfriend, the boots are really old Zara, the jacket is vintage because it was my mom's from like a really long time ago. No purse today actually, so there you go. You know it's fall when you start ordering hot chocolate. If you don't have a nut allergy, get it with almond milk. I think it's better.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
I thought it would look good that way too.
I think that's better.
I don't know if I was doing it right.
You know? That was such a mission. We're back! Okay. This is the best fabric. Maybe I should get one of these. I'm gonna get one of these because it's like a Skims vibe. I want this so badly, but I can't justify it because I literally have a coat that looks just like this and a vest that looks just like this. Just went to ARITZIA, got some stuff. They have some really good basics there, so I'll show you guys when I'm home. And we're just gonna pick up some almond milk at Whole Foods, and then I'm gonna go home and do the rest of my work. Sad times. I have a lot of deadlines, so I'll keep you guys updated on that once I'm back. Basically, it's today I am going to be reshooting a few things for a brand that I was working with actually last fall, but because of the entire situation that's like happening right now, it didn't make sense for me to launch my content when it was actually planned to go up. So the content is going up now, even though the video was filmed like way long ago. I need to shoot that, get that to my network like as soon as possible. So that is what I am planning to do today. Having my coffee, which Dylan oh so kindly gave to me. I feel like a parent because he's actually dropping off our dog at daycare right now. So we're trying to get our dog into daycare like at least twice a week because he's not very he's very afraid of other dogs, and I know that's definitely a trait that a lot of dogs have, especially if they're rescues. So yeah, we're doing that right now. In the meantime, I'm just going to do a little bit of work on the computer, and then we're going to get to journaling. I bought this little journal just because it was inexpensive. This is so me because that's what my living room literally looks like right now. Let's find today's question. Okay, I'm doing 25 journal prompts for a better mindset. So today's question is, what do I need to hear today and how can I uplift myself? I like to write that on the top along with the date, and then I just go and write whatever I feel like for about 5 to 10 minutes. Final look, no foundation, just a little lip liner, some mascara, and a brow. My perfect makeup look right now. Yeah, just trying to keep it really simple. I feel like this look would look really cute with faux freckles, but maybe not today. So this is the first look for this the brand work that I'm shooting. It's not a fashion related thing, so that kind of excites me because then I'm able to really just kind of put my own spin on it. My plan is to take this in front of a window, so I thought this would be like a cool like chilling at home outfit. I mean, I don't know, I just think it's really cute, and I know sweater vests are very in right now. This one's actually thrifted. I have it on backwards, but I think it looks cuter like this almost. Okay, so we did the first look and I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out so cute. And now I just have to quickly get ready for the second. This turned out so adorable. Dropped my brand new camera. We love that for me. Okay, that's what happens when you're in a rush. But really happy with how this look turned out. I just think this detail with the necklace, like, so stinking adorable. Also, I've never really shown the inside of my closet because obviously it's an ongoing organization journey. Atlas Interiors actually helped me organize and come up with a system. I'm gonna have her link down below. But one thing I actually swapped out is we used to have bins up here, and now I actually got these little dividers from the home edit because I found that this was getting really disorganized and a little bit chaotic. And generally that obviously happens if you do have a lot of clothing. So this is all my denim at the top, and then there I have some fancier shoes, and then there I have skirts, and then all the denim is organized based on brand and stuff like that. But even though it doesn't look perfect right now, it's definitely it's been able to maintain this level, so I really do like that. And then I have like a set of drawers here that have like pajamas and workout gear and stuff like that, but that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. I don't live in a big space, so this really does work for me, and I've been able to maintain it, which is really good. Also, Dylan put in a motion sensor light up there, as you guys can see, so when I open it and stuff, I'm always able to see everything because it's lit up. Okay, got my Austin Powers sunglasses on. Got my purse. This is gonna be really cute. I don't know if I should wear this with cowboy boots or not. These I got from Princess Polly a while ago, and they're so cute. I feel like with a little trouser like this, it'll look really good. Okay guys, this is the final look. Wearing these trousers that I've worn on my latest styling videos. This little turtleneck from Revolve. This oversized blazer from a previous Everlane haul a while back. This little nylon bag. This is very overdressed to go to Home Depot. I don't know what sunglasses, so I had those Austin Powers ones that you guys saw, and then I also have, you know, these like classic ones, which definitely look a little bit more profesh. But yeah, most importantly, we need to put on a mask. So let's grab one of these. It's kind of like our COVID station. So got the mask and we're on our way. I can talk to the camera like while
we're taking pictures.
I'll show you guys what I'm doing. But basically,
it is pretty cool.
It's a natural rhythm.
It's not taking photos anymore. Hopefully you can like take it.
Hopefully there's something. think that's so chic.
They are Toledo pillows.
Dylan says this looks like Toledo. We'll never find our dog.
Wrong.
We're leaving empty-handed.
Oh,
It's okay though, I'm here every week. Did you have fun at daycare, Toledo? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Okay, so we just got home. Beans was so excited to get back from daycare. He just like loves it there, honestly. It's so funny, like he just gets so excited. I'm just gonna paint this IKEA dresser. As you guys can see, it's this one here. I don't know what it's called. It's either the Ivar or something else. I'll have it on the screen here, but it's just this plain pine one. Before I had this little white unit in here, and it always was falling apart, so this just made a lot more sense because it's definitely sturdy. And my plan is to paint it today, but I think that this would just look really, really cute if it was painted. And it's something I want to do for a while because we have leftover paint. So on a previous Amazon order too, I already ordered these because I knew I was going to be doing that. So I got these little knobs from Amazon Basics. It came in a set of 6. And they're really small and cute, and I want to replace basically the wooden ones that are on here, just to kind of dress it up a little bit and make it feel a little bit more luxe. These were really affordable, and personally I just like love how simple they are. I love that they don't taper in, like it just makes them look a lot more contemporary. And then there's a little pull here for your hands, so that way you can like pull anything out you want. Okay, so all of them are empty now, and as you guys can see, like these little drawers can pack so much stuff, which is great. So in the top one, I used to have graphic tees. In the middle one, I have all my activewear, which I definitely should go through and like just figure out what I want to keep and stuff. And then I also have like traditional like stripy pajamas and pajama pants and all that in there as well. And that one was in the bottom one. So now that's all done, I'm gonna put these to the side so I can pull this thing out. Okay, so we did the first coat of this paint, and I'm gonna be honest guys, I don't know if I screwed up. Like, does this look good? I just like don't know. I think it'll blend in a lot more with everything else, but I just wasn't, because these drawers aren't able to come out after assembly, I just wasn't able to be super neat over there, and it's driving me a little crazy. It is what it is. No one's gonna see it except me, and they're gonna be shut most of the time anyway. Yeah. I'm going to wait for this to dry for about 10-20 minutes, and then we're going to get back to it. But I think with, if you guys can see, with this little knob, you can visualize how good it's going to look with the white. I think this is just going to make it look a little bit more, you know, upscale inside my closet. Ta-da! I'm happier with it than I thought I would be, to be honest. I think it looks pretty decent. I definitely could have done a little bit better on it. There are some things on the side that I probably should have done a second coat on. This wood is really obviously very like porous, so it definitely needs a lot of coats for it to be solid. But I think it's gonna look good in the closet. I mean, you're not gonna see the side anyway. So, yep, that's what it looks like. Let's install it now and move it in. So I put everything back. The Louis sitting there. That's a bin of things I still need to shoot. I brought it up to the front a little bit because I feel like it almost looks like it's built in this way. And this closet isn't very practical to start out with. There's a lot of wasted space inside there and inside there if you watch my empty apartment tour. So this just makes more sense for me. But yeah. Overall, I think it's not so bad. I showed this in a vlog before, but I have this stool that's like a little bit taller than a regular stool. I think this is 16 inches, so like around 1.5 feet. So that way I'm able to get up there, and I like that it folds flat. So I wanted to pop on the end of the vlog and kind of wrap this all up with a haul of everything that I got this week / was gifted and whatever. Basically, it's an ARITZIA, Revolve, and Garage haul. I was actually gifted things from Revolve and Garage. Garage I'm actually working with on an Instagram collab. Then you guys know I picked up a few things from ARITZIA. So let's just start with those things. This isn't like a legit haul. It's just like, it's a vlog, right? So I'll try on a few things, and if not, I'll try my best to put a picture of like what the model looks like in it so you guys have good reference. The first thing I got is this gray tee from Denim Forum. If you guys watch this whole vlog, you'll know I've been wearing this so much. I'm obsessed with it. If it comes in black, I kind of want it too because their basics are just really, really good. I picked up this white tee. This is super, super cute. This is from Wilfred and it looks really, really nice on. I'm gonna pop this on to show you. This looks so good on. It's like extremely flattering. Just like super, super cute. Like, yes. And then I also managed to pick up 2 tank tops from them. They look very much like the Skims stuff, except this is obviously way more accessible. I forgot to say this, but ARITZIA actually just announced their carbon neutral, which is so exciting too. So definitely another reason to shop from them. But this little tank, it looks like this sagey color. It's so pretty, and this fabric is so good. I have 2 other items in this fabric and I just love it. It's so soft. I got an extra small just because it looked like it was on the bigger side. And then I got this tank from Sunday Best in the color Bone. It's really, really cute too, and I got this one in a size small. Got a few things from Revolve, which is really exciting because you guys know I wear a lot of Revolve on my Instagram. I was trying to style things that are just a little bit current, but at the same time, I know it's on the pricier side, so I do want to pick up things that aren't like just trendy, like things you're gonna wear for years. So the first thing I got was this sweatsuit from Lovers and Friends. You guys know I love a good sweatsuit. I got this in a size small and it definitely has a more oversized fit. I'm actually shocked at how big the pants are in terms of the leg, because usually I feel like things like this run small, but guys, this is not the cutest little sweatsuit. I love this so much. Okay, and then I got a few knits from them. The first one is this black wrap sweater from Privacy Please. It's so cute, guys. Has a little hole there so that way you could loop the little loop-de-loop. So cute. This is gonna be so nice with a pair of denim and like a little black booty. So cute. Next thing I have is this black turtleneck jumper. I already wore this in my vlog, so I'll pop up the picture of it here again. Got this in a size small and it's so cute. And then I also got this turtleneck from LPA. This looks like it'd be really scratchy, but it's extremely soft and I love it. I liked it so much. The minute I got it, I put on an outfit and I shot it for Instagram because, guys, it's so cute. It's one of those things where the arms are really long for some reason. This is so nice. This is gonna be something I'm gonna be wearing all winter. And then the last thing I got from Revolve is by Song of Style, and you guys know how much I love Ami's song. I got this in a size small and it actually probably fits closer to a medium on me, but I'll throw a picture of the model wearing it here. Everyone who's worn it has styled it so cute, and I just really can't wait to style stuff like this for fall. The last 3 things are from Garage. I actually have a few like fashion Instagram posts coming up with them, so you'll see this stuff again on my Instagram if you want to see it like fully styled. But the first thing I got is this quarter zip. That's so nice. Also, ARITZIA has a sweater just like this, but I think it's like 3 times the price, so if you guys can pick up the Garage one, like definitely do. And then I also got this little oatmeal sweater. Like, I think this is so nice. This is a size small. I like this cropped look. I think this is really cute. This could look especially cute with the denim I chose to style it with. These are the vintage straight. In hindsight, I should have definitely sized down in these because I just know they're going to get looser over time, even though they don't look it right now. In terms of the fit, the wash, the quality, I swear, guys, these are so comparable to my A Goldie denim, which are like $300. That is the end of the haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing in terms of like vlogging and all that stuff. So let me know what you guys liked from this video, and also let me know what I could add because I'm always trying to do better, especially for you guys. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everyone.